Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when this video is going to meet you or depending when you are watching this video. So in today's series or in today's lessons, we are going to be teaching ourselves, right? I like to say we are teaching ourselves because I acknowledge the fact that by me teaching you, I am also teaching myself, right? So the easiest way that I found to learn is to teach, right? That is the easiest way that you can learn. So if you are embarking on a new skill or getting a new occupation, on learning something new, as you struggle to learn, you can also struggle to teach other people as well for free, right? Because as you teach them, then you begin to learn more as well, right? So the more you give, the more you're going to receive. That also applies to learning. Now today we are going to be talking, or we are going to be looking at how we can buy and sell, or how we can sell or crypto or Binance on P2P. So it is very easy. So before we continue, if you have not watched our previous videos on how to download the Binance app, how to use the Binance app, you can always check out previous videos in our channel, right? If you are watching on YouTube, you check in the description box, you're going to see a link to Binance, and if you're watching on Facebook, as you're going to see that link as well, right? So depending on where you're watching us from. And also please make sure to join our Telegram community, where we make sure that we provide you with top-notch content on both forex and crypto trading, especially on trading psychology. So have you ever asked yourself that in a market where 6 trillion US dollar is being traded, just about 5% of people are making money consecutively, when all that requires is for us to place a buy or a sell positions? Have you ever wondered? Does that ever ring a bell in your head? So that should. So if that rings a bell in your head, then you can join our Telegram channel, where we aim to tackle these problems in trading, right? So you're going to be learning a lot. And also, if you want to be part of the mentorship program, where we take you deeply into forex and crypto trading, then you can join us. So today I'm going to be showing you how we can trade on P2P, right? Mostly it is going to be for those in Cameroon, but if you follow the procedure that I am showing you, you will be able to trade on P2P on Binance from everywhere. So first things first, let me get my pen icon so that we can proceed. All right, now we are on Binance right now, and you can see this is P2P here. So I already have that on my shortcut. If you don't have that on your shortcut, you just need to click on that Binance icon there, and here it is again. So we have that icon there, and I can click on my P2P, and it is going to lead me to my P2P dashboard, right? So when I come there, the first thing that it is going to show me is Express P2P catch. So since I'm interested in P2P, I am going to concentrate on P2P. The day we are going to talk about Express, we'll look at Express. The day we talk about cash, we'll talk about cash. So if you see now, we are on buy. So if you want to buy from P2P, you can also buy on P2P here. If you want to sell, good and fine. Now the most important thing that you should note is that your currency, your native currency, should be represented here. Right now I'm in Cameroon, so that is why you're seeing mine is in ZAF, right? So if I don't have it in ZAF, I am not going to see vendors who are selling or dealing in ZAF. So always make sure that you change that. If you are in Nigeria, you're going to change it to NGN, I think so. If you are in the United States, you're going to change it to USD. Wherever you are, you just need to change it to your native currency. As long as Binance works in your country, you'll be able to do that. So that is already checked for me. And the next thing is that I want to sell, right? So remember, in this video we are teaching you, or we are learning how to sell. So what I'll do is I'll click on sell, then I'll sample the different options and see those that are willing to sell to me at this particular moment. So I have a few people. This person has EcoBank, he's dealing with EcoBank, 650 francs. You need to look at the limit, right? What is his limit? He says he is buying from 50,000 francs to 813,000 francs, right? And this one, the next one, EcoBank. So I'm looking for someone who has mobile money. So this is somebody who has mobile money, and the rates are really low this morning. The rates are really low. Okay, this is somebody who is selling at 647 francs, right? There are times when you come here and the rates are really good. So the rates are not really that encouraging this morning, but nonetheless, we are still going to do what we came here to do. So this is somebody who is selling from 25,000 to 100,000 francs, and the person has mobile money, and so he's selling for each USDT. He's selling for 647 francs. So if all the options check, then we can then click on sell, right? So let's see if I had okay. So I already have my money in my funding wallet. If you did not watch that video on how to use Binance, you go and watch it. The first thing is that you need to transfer your money to your funding wallet. Okay, so once you transfer that money to your funding wallet, you'll be able to sell it here. If I do not have that money in my funding, it will not appear here. So once it is in my funding wallet, I can trade on P2P. So whenever you want to trade on P2P, you need to make sure that your money is under the funding wallet, right? If you go to Binance, you're going to see funding wallet, you're going to see spot wallet, you're going to see futures wallet, and a couple of others. So once trading on P2P, your money needs to be transferred to funding. So go there and you check, right? Now this guy is online, so I'm going to be receiving a sum of 31,000 and something, right, for my 48 USDT that I'm going to be selling this morning on P2P, right? So he says make sure that the name of the phone number you use to receive the payment is the same as the verified in your Binance account. Okay, so your name should be the same. No payment to a third party, Cameroon only, no float, normal deposit only, MTN mobile money, Orange mobile money. Submit your number and name and receive, right? So once everything checks for me, then I am going to, his rate is this. Now I'm going to place my order. Now once you place your order, what Binance is going to do, let me see, looks like that money is not in our funding wallet, so let's go back and transfer that to funding, right? So now this is what I was saying. If it is not in your funding wallet, it is always going to show up like this, right? So let me transfer overview. I come to transfer. I'm transferring from transferring from spot to funding, right? Let's see, where is this guy? Under funding, yeah, it's under funding. So I don't know why this guy is trying to play such tricks on us. It is already under funding, right? It's already under funding. So when you come here, you see that the money is already under funding. So let us just go back to P2P and we try that again, right? At times, because of maybe, let's see, network issues, disparity, some things, it might show up like that. Okay, let's see. Okay, now it has gone through, right? So if you face a difficulty, you can always go back and you restart the process. Now this is one thing that you should know: never release your crypto when the person hasn't sent your money. Okay, now here I am, this is the person I'm selling to, this is the amount of money this is the amount in USDT I'm selling, this is the amount I'm going to be getting, right? This is the amount of selling, this is the amount I'm going to be getting in ZAF, and my payment method is mobile money, so everything clicks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chat up this person, right? I click on chat, and all I need to do is I need to send my names, right? He's already asking me, hello, your number and name please. So I'm going to give him my number, right? 673497131. Okay, so that is my number, 673497131, and I am going to include my name as well. So when I send like that, and then I'm going to be waiting for him to respond. Okay, when he has completed the transaction, and once I have seen that the money has gotten into my account first, then I am going to release the coins to the person. So now this is what Binance will do. Once you're trading on P2P, what they do is that as I place this trade, they are going to put this money on escrow, right? Escrow means that it is going to be like a middleman, right? And it is going only to be hanging there. Neither me have the money nor he has the money. It is only when our transactions are complete that I am going to release the money. Now, one thing about buying on Binance P2P that I will discourage is that at times you see that there are some fraudulent accounts that are out to get your money, right? There are some fraudulent accounts that are out to get your money, and so you could send them your money, because with buying you will have to send them your mobile money first. You need to send them money through mobile money first for them to uh, send you the crypto, right? Now there is a situation that I've seen somebody send that mobile money transaction and the person just disappears. In that case, you're going to report that account, but probably Binance is not going to refund that money. So last time we looked at how we could trade directly with Binance. That is the most secured way. It has its own disadvantage in that you're going to be buying crypto at a higher rate, right? But it is more safe. So let us wait for him. If he is wasting a lot of time, right? So we have a couple of time still left, right? So this is the timer here. This is the timer here. Once he pays, he is going to notify me that he has paid, right? And then I'm going to release his crypto. So let us wait. You gotta be patient with these things and with some of these people as well. So let us just be waiting. So if you don't know, you can come into the financial market and maybe you want to trade the forex market, and by the end of the day you see that trading the crypto market is what is best for you. That is why we do our best to teach you both crypto and forex, right? So you can make money from both markets. It is just how well you have developed your knowledge in it. So he says, okay, so we are going to be waiting for him now to do the payment. Once he does the payment, then I am going to release his money for him, right? I'm going to receive my money and he's going to take away my USDT. So until I receive that money in my wallet and I double check, right, I will not release my crypto. So a lot of people do that mistake where they'll just go and then they'll just go and mark that they have released that I've sent you money, right? And you quickly go and release your crypto only to find out that you have been scammed, right? So let us be patient. He has said okay, so let's be waiting. He's going to send the money, and once that is done, then we are done with him, right? So let's be waiting. Okay, that is it. You have received 31,000 blah 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 in your account, right? So I need to double check, and I double check again. So let's come. He's going to come now and tell me that he has sent it, right? And let us view. He's also going to mark that he has paid this. So very soon you're going to see remind counterparty. It is going to change. Okay, so let us just wait and see. Just wait and see. So this is us trading live on P2P. All right, so if you want to trade, you want to sell your cryptocurrencies on Binance, this is how you sell your cryptocurrencies, right? You don't need to go send your money to someone somewhere and after you're facing problems, right? Excuse me. He has marked it, the order as paid. Please confirm that you have received the payment and release the asset, right? Excuse me. He has also sent a screenshot to show me that he has made the payment, and I have also confirmed to see that I have received the money. Right now I have my money in my account, and what I am going to do is I am going to receive payment. I'm going to go to receive payment, and I'm going to say I have received the payment for that. If you do not receive, then you take the first option. So I have received, and I'm going to confirm release. Right, you need to do some security checks again along the way. So that is done for that, and that is how you sell your crypto on Binance. So easy. So easy, guys. So if you have loved this video to the end, please make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to share, so that this video goes a long way to help a lot of people. So the financial world now is greatly being taken over by technology, right? So you need to stay up to date on all of these, right? So imagine those who they are early adopters of new ideas, right? This is a new idea. Crypto is a new idea, and it is not too late for you to begin to learn and to adopt cryptocurrencies now, right? If you look at the evolution of money, we have evolved from trade by barter. We've evolved from using special let's say special tools like metals. Now we use paper, we use coins, right? And now we are using digital assets. That is the evolution of money. So the next point, or the next level where money or where finance is going to, it is heading digital. So in the 21st century, my friends, you should be able, or you should have a Binance account. You should know how to deal with all of this. Imagine that you want to send money to somebody out of the country. You could send billions to somebody out of the country, and what are you going to be paying? You're going to be paying only $1 for each of these transactions. So it is very beautiful. So I've successfully sold my currency, and that is how simple you sell your cryptocurrencies on Binance, on P2P. So next, we are going to be looking at different features, so stay tuned. If you have not hit that subscription button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to follow if you're watching from YouTube, from Facebook, and also make sure to leave us a positive review. All right, so if you're not in our Telegram channel as well, make sure to join. A lot of more interesting things coming up. Okay, so have a great rest of your day. God bless you all, and I hope you learned something beautiful. Bye bye.